Hello friends, my name is Sambhav and I am going to show you the basic banking system website that I have designed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as my front-end technologies and PHP MySQL as my back-end technologies. This task is a part of graduate rotation internship program of the Spark Foundation. First, coming to the code part, here we have a index.php file for the home page of the website. Then we have a customer.php file for the customer page. After that, we have a transaction.php file for the transaction page. And then we have a transhistory.php file for the transaction history page. And here we have a JavaScript file for the navigation and the image slider in the first page. We have two folders named CSS and images. In the CSS folder we have all the CSS files, and in the images folder we have all the images that are used in the website. Then coming to the web page, this is the home page of the website. In the nav bar, we have four sections named as Home, Services, Customers and Transactions. Here we have four fields named as Customers, Transactions, Loans and Services. Let's go to the customer page. Here we have a dummy database of 10 customers. On clicking proceed, it opens the customer details as well as the transfer money page. Let's select a random user and enter some amount to be transferred, and then we click on transfer amount. You can see here in the pop-up window the transaction is completed. Let's click on OK. It will open the transaction history page, and here you can see the current transaction that you have done. Then coming back to the customers page, we can see here the amount is deducted from Naman's account to Rajesh account. Now let's go to the database section. Here I have used phpMyAdmin to handle the MySQL database. Let's go to our database. As you can see here, we have two tables named as user and transaction. Let's go to the user table. The user table stores the user data. Then we have a transaction table which stores the transaction histories. Here you can see the current transaction is stored in the table.